Good afternoon. I have my dear friend and a leader in Democratic Party and presently chair of Democratic Party of Orange County, Ada Briseno, who has been a great voice for democracy and human rights. She has worked not only in Orange County or California, but all over the country. And she is aware of what is happening in Pakistan right now about human rights and democracy. And I want to get her opinion on that. Thank you, Ada.
Yeah, thank you so much, Dr. Asif. You know, I came to this country as a child at the age of 6, and I fled a dictator because my voice and the voice of my family members were in deep trouble. You know, there was violence and difficulty, so I decided to use my voice to teach others in the United States to stand up for what they believe in. And right now we're seeing, you know, something very difficult in Pakistan, and we need to stand up and have others use their voice and not be penalized, you know, because we are a country that believes in democracy, and we believe that people should have a voice and speak up when things are not right. And this is creating a hardship right now. And so Pakistan needs to stand down and make sure that people can use their voice and be free and safe in their country.
Thank you.
Yeah.